In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate adding items to your cart and applying discounts when shopping on the Shein app or website. Whether you're a seasoned Shein shopper or just starting out, mastering these skills can enhance your shopping experience and save you money. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to begin by perusing the vast selection of items offered by Shein. Whether you're into the latest fashion trends or simply looking for some wardrobe staples, Shein has something for everyone. As you explore, take your time to carefully select the items that catch your eye. When you find something you like, simply click on the item to view more details, such as the size chart, customer reviews, and additional color options. Once you've decided it's a must-have, go ahead and add it to your cart. After you finish selecting all your desired items, it's time to proceed to the checkout. You can view your cart by clicking the shopping cart icon, typically found at the top right corner of the app or website. Here, you have the chance to review all the items you've chosen. Double check the sizes, colors, and quantities to ensure everything is just how you want it. It's always a good idea to verify these details to avoid any surprises when your package arrives. Next, it's discount time, which is a great way to stretch your budget further. As you advance to checkout, keep an eye out for the promo code or discount code field. This is where you'll enter any discount codes you might have. These codes can come from various sources like Shein's promotional campaigns, newsletters, or even social media influencers. So be sure you've got a valid code at the ready. Enter your discount code into the designated field and then tap or click Apply. Upon applying the code, you should see the discount reflected in your total. This is an important step as it ensures that you're actually receiving the savings you expected. If you don't see the discount applied immediately, double check the promo code for any typos or ensure that it's still valid and applicable to your purchase. Finally, once you've confirmed the discounted total looks correct, you can proceed with completing your purchase. You'll want to carefully follow any remaining instructions to finalize your payment and shipping details, and then simply sit back and wait for your fabulous new items to arrive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll not only add items to your cart and apply those ever so valuable discount codes, but you'll also shop with confidence and efficiency. Happy shopping and enjoy your finds from Shein.